Every skier and rider should carry these 6 things in their repair kit when they head into the backcountry. Number 6, a basket. This can be invaluable if you lose your pole basket on a powder day. Number 5, zip ties. These can work on any number of things for repair. Number 4, baling wire. Like zip ties, these work on any number of repairs. Number 3, a small roll of duct tape. Duct tape can be used in a variety of ways, from torn clothing to first aid. Number 2, extra ski straps in a variety of lengths. I carry 3. Number 1, a binding buddy and a multi-tool. These are the tools that allow you to make the repairs in the backcountry. These are the top 6 items that always find their way into my repair kit for a backcountry day tour.